Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, my name is NESHA, and if you already been here, what it do, baby boo. Welcome back. Today we are back with day 9. Yes, day 9 of 31 days of beauty. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I am bringing you guys a makeup tutorial every single day for the month of October. And not only am I bringing you guys makeup tutorials, but I'm using a different makeup palette every single day as well. Yeah, this is my 3rd year doing this. I decided to do a theme this time around, so I'm using palettes that I've never ever used. That's been in my collection, whether if they're new or old. This is my chance to take advantage and play with them. This one is kind of sort of new. She's not that old. I want to say I got her 2 to like 3 months ago. The ABH Cosmos palette. This is such a beautiful palette. Let me show you guys the color story. Let me show you the color story. Look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. This blue is definitely grabbing my attention. So yes, I'm going to be doing something with that blue shade. So my base is creasing, no. So we're gonna get started right away because I gotta go to work. Nisha gotta go to work today, so I'm gonna quickly do this tutorial for you guys. And I hope my background don't crash. It's been crashing with a couple of my makeup looks, so if I do feel like it's crashing, then I'll just have to take it down for the time being. But it's like adjusting my lighting and everything now, so but stop. All right, let's get started. All right, so the first shade I would like to play with is going to be this beautiful, it's kind of like a mauvey peachy shade. I just hope it don't look ashy. That's what I'm leaning towards. And I'm just going to take that shade and pop it in the crease. So this is going to be the transition color. And it's showing up on your girl. Okay, I thought it wasn't gonna show up, but it's, wait, is it? Very lightly it's showing up, but it's there. Okay, so it showed up a little, but not the way I wanted it to show up. So let me go in with the obvious color. I was trying to avoid using this color because I knew this was going to show up, but I should have listened to my first thoughts. So let's go in with this shade, which is this beautiful, like looks like this brown has a little bit of a red tone to it. I could be wrong. I'm just going to go in with the same brush, and I'm just going to take that color and pop it right underneath that shade so that way it can still peek through. That this brown is beautiful. This I like it a lot. All right, so what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of eyeshadow base. I'm gonna take that and pop it on the lid. I was thinking about cutting my crease, but I was like, no, let's do a quick and simple look because we're on a time crunch, to be honest. So the shade that I want to play with is the one I told y'all is this beautiful sparkly blue shade. I already know this is gonna be beautiful because I already swatched these at Ulta. But I didn't put it on my eye. Look at this. This is, oh my gosh, y'all, this is so buttery. I don't even have it on all the way. Oh my gosh, these, yeah, so my background is crashing with my eye look right now, so I might have to take it down. This is so pretty. I wasn't expecting it to hit like this, but it did. This is pretty. Okay, let me take a different brush. And I'm gonna try to get some of this blue inside the inner part. And I'm just going back in with that dark brown just to make sure that we have the colors blended, y'all. My camera is not showing the way I want it to show. This is such a beautiful like combination, this brown and this blue. Like, I want to put more shades on, but I'm like, no, you know what? I think I might put something towards the outer. Let me see. Okay, yes. I'm gonna take a little bit of this dark blue. Let me see. Ooh. I'm gonna put it right on top of that lighter blue. Towards the, oh my God. Towards the outer. Okay, this is making a mess using my fingers, but she's gorgeous. A little goes a long way with the shade, a little. Now that I put this color in the outer, now I feel like I need a deeper crease color because it's not, why am I looking like I got teardrops? This is why I don't like putting my face on, but I was trying to do a quicker method today, but no. Debating if I need to put another shadow on the outer. And you know what? I think I just tiny bit might, just a little bit. I'll take a little bit of this shade. I was trying to keep this look light. I should have just left it with the lighter blue. I'm just gonna put just a little bit towards the outer. That way it can complement what's going on in the crease. Okay, let me stop because I'm gonna keep putting more shades on. I'm gonna do a quick wing and I'm gonna come back to finish up the eyes. Now I had to do my whole face over. I don't know what the heck was going on, but it was not turning out right. So I won't be doing this method when I have to go to work. Honestly, I think it's just because I didn't know where I was gonna go with this palette. I forgot that sparkly frosty shadows do, you know, drop on the face, so that was my fault. But I'm just gonna take some more of that brown and I'm bringing it in the inner part. It's a simple little blend look, but it's so freaking cute. And I think this is perfect for fall. Okay, for the bottom, what are we doing with the bottom? I think I'm gonna go in with that same brown, which is this one right here, Mars. I am gonna take that shade and just put it on the bottom lash line. I think this brown at the bottom is definitely giving that fall vibe. This brown is definitely my favorite brown in here. Like, this is beautiful. Okay, for my inner, I think I'm just gonna bring that same blue down at the bottom because I don't think it's a lighter shade in here. Let me see. No, not really. I'm just gonna bring that blue down. I guess I'll be putting an Amazon order in for this Molly liner. Because I haven't met anything that's like this. I got my KVD liners, but they're not that gel texture. Give it the smoky effect that I like from Molly. Like, this is like so pretty. She did a really good job creating that. Okay, so I think this deserves a pink combo today. So we're gonna pink it up for the blush and we're also gonna pink it up for the lips. So let me do my lips first. I'm gonna go in with, let's go in, is this Scorpio? No, it's not Scorpio. I'm still gonna go in with my brown lip liner. Let's see if it'll help with the pink lips. Cause I have no clue where my pink liners are at. I'm trying to think, did I do something recently with pink lips? No, I haven't. Huh. Yeah, that's kind of odd. But the liner I'm using is Pitch by ColourPop. And I might go in with a different liner. I just wanted to use this as a guideline. And I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna mix, I think, 2 lipsticks. I'm gonna go in with the Kylie lipstick. This one's in the shade Kill, something like that, KK, whatever. And I'm gonna mix it with the Morphe because I wanna get like that really pink shade. So let me do the Kylie first. And I'm gonna go back in really quick with the liner. So this one's more of a hot pink, as y'all can see. Yeah, hot pink. I'm gonna go one more time back in with Kylie. I should have did this the other way around, but I wasn't thinking until I put it on. Just gonna put that back in the center. Alright, last thing, I'm gonna add my gloss. This is the Heat Gloss. This is Fussy. ColourPop really made this difficult to open for someone who got nails. Oh my gosh, okay. So this is the blush that I'm gonna go in with. Let's see how this is going to complement the lips. Look at that blush, yes, okay. I'm just gonna put it up high. Last thing is a little bit of highlight. And I wanna go in with the shade Extra. Alright my love, so this is going to complete the look. I really do hope you guys like and enjoy today's tutorial. The camera is not doing what I wanted to do, so I'm probably have to insert some phone clips, but this palette is beautiful. These metallics in here are kind of like, how can I describe it? Like a glitter. Like they're not just a regular like metallic, like it's giving me glitter mixed with these metallic eyeshadows, and they're so buttery too. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely coming back next month to do some more looks using this palette, so I'm just gonna give you guys a heads up. I feel like I'm telling you guys the November playlist because there's a lot of palettes that I've been using so far that I definitely want to bring back for next month just to do some more looks using it, and this is definitely, I promise this one is going to be on rotation for November, yes. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like and I hope you guys enjoy. Hopefully the background is not crashing too much with this makeup look, but yes. You guys all have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing. Please leave your feedback down at the bottom, and of course be sure to come back tomorrow. I got another one in store for y'all. You guys have a good one. Bye.